I'm California personal injury attorney Neil Shouse. In almost every accident case, we seek to get our clients compensation for their pain and suffering. People often ask me, how does the law define pain and suffering? And how do you calculate pain and suffering damages? Broadly speaking, pain and suffering is the negative, subjective experience a person endures because of an injury. It can be obvious things like physical pain and pressure and discomfort. It can be the embarrassment and humiliation of having scars and disfigurement. It can be the emotional scars like depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Let me be clear. If you've been injured, no amount of money will undo the physical and emotional pain that you endured. No amount of money will ever truly make you whole. But money can give you the resources to help rebuild your life. Here in California, where I practice, there is no cap or absolute limit on how much pain and suffering money a victim can be awarded. Jurors have been known to award millions and even hundreds of millions of dollars in some cases. It really is the job of the personal injury attorney to demonstrate to the other side, the insurance company, the judge, the jury, just how much suffering you endured from the injury. If you or a loved one has been injured by the wrongdoing of others, we invite you to call us here at Shouse Law Group. We can help you to get compensation for medical bills, for lost wages, for pain and suffering, and oftentimes punitive damages.